Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video on American Money Explained. My name is Cheikh, and I'm coming to you straight from Dakar, Senegal. If you're watching this, you probably wonder how money really works in the United States. The salaries, the prices, the dollar, the banks, everything that makes America look like the land of opportunity. A lot of us here in Africa dream about the US dollar. We see it in movies, on social media, and many Senegalese have family sending money from New York, Atlanta, or California. But is it really as easy as it looks? Today, I'm breaking it all down simply, step by step, and I'll compare everything to life here in Dakar so you see the real picture. If that sounds useful, hit that like button right now and subscribe. We're just getting started. Let's dive in. First things first. The US dollar. Why is it the strongest currency in the world? The dollar isn't just money in America. It's the money the whole world uses. When countries buy oil, they pay in dollars. When big companies trade internationally, dollars again. This is called the petrodollar system. It started decades ago when America made a deal with Saudi Arabia. Because of that, every country needs dollars, so the demand stays super high. Here in Senegal, our CFA franc is tied to the euro, but even we feel the dollar's power. Right now, in January 2026, one US dollar is worth about 620 to 630 CFA. When the dollar gets stronger, imported rice, fuel, everything gets more expensive in Dakar markets. I go to Sandaga or Thailand market, and vendors always complain, "Le dollar monte, les prix montent." But in America, the dollar is printed by the Federal Reserve, their central bank. They can print more when they want, like they did a lot during COVID. That caused inflation. Prices went up fast. Eggs that cost $2 in 2020 now sometimes hit $7 or $8 in some states. Crazy, right? Now, let's talk about earning money. What's the average American salary in 2026? The average full-time worker makes around $60,000 to $65,000 per year before taxes. That's about $5,000 per month. In big cities like New York or California, tech or finance jobs can pay $100,000, $150,000, even more. Doctors, engineers, software developers, 6 figures easy. But wait, convert that to CFA. $60,000 is almost 37 million CFA per year. Here in Senegal, the average salary is maybe 150,000 to 300,000 CFA per month for a good office job. That's only $2,500 to $5,000 per year. So yes, Americans earn way more. But here's the truth they don't show on Instagram. After taxes, rent, healthcare, and bills, a lot of that money disappears fast. Let me explain the cost of living. Rent in a decent apartment in a big US city? Easily $2,000 to $3,000 per month. That's half the average salary gone. In Dakar, a nice apartment in Almadies or Plateau costs $300,000 to $600,000. CFA, $500 to $1,000. Much cheaper. Healthcare? In America, no free public system like in many countries. You need insurance through your job, and it still costs hundreds per month. One hospital visit without good insurance? $10,000 easy. Here, we have public hospitals, and most people pay small fees or use mutual health schemes. Groceries. A family of 4 spends about $1,000 per month in the US. Carton of eggs, $6 to $8. Milk, $5. Chicken, $10 per kilo. In Dakar? Eggs 1,200 CFA, less than $2. Chicken, 2,500 CFA per kilo. We eat fresh from the market every day. Gas for cars, $4 to $5 per gallon in many states. In Senegal, Fuel is around 800 CFA per liter. Similar price when you calculate, but cars are smaller here. So why does it feel like Americans still live better? Because credit. Americans use credit cards and loans for everything. Good credit score, above 700, means you can borrow money cheap. Buy a house with a 30-year mortgage at 6 to 7% interest. Buy a car, even pay for college. The system is built on debt, but it works if you pay on time. Here in Senegal, most people avoid banks. We use tontines, family help, or mobile money. Wave, orange money, free money. Cash is king. Very few have big loans for houses because interest rates are high and banks ask for too many papers. Now, investing. This is where Americans really build wealth. Many put money in the stock market, S&P 500, companies like Apple, Tesla, Amazon. Over the last 10 years, the market went up over 200%. A normal person with a 401k retirement plan through work can become a millionaire by retirement if they start early. In 2026, with AI and tech booming, a lot of young Americans are investing in crypto again or index funds. Average returns 7 to 10% per year long term. In Senegal, we have the BRVM stock exchange in Abidjan, but most people don't trust it or don't know it. We invest in land, buildings, small businesses, or gold. Safer, but slower growth. But not everything is perfect in America. Inequality is huge. Top 1% own more than the bottom 90%. Many work 2 jobs just to survive. Student debt is over $1.7 trillion total. Average person owes $30,000 to $40,000 from university. Minimum wage is only $7.25 federal, though many states raised it to $15 to $20. Still, in expensive cities, that's poverty. And taxes, federal income tax, 10 to 37%, plus state tax, Social Security, Medicare. A $60,000 salary becomes maybe $45,000 take-home. From my view here in Dakar, I respect how hard Americans work and how the system rewards risk. But I also love our life in Senegal. Family close, fresh food cheap, less stress about money every day. Alhamdulillah for what we have. The American dream is real, but it takes discipline, education, and sometimes luck. If you're Senegalese watching this and dreaming of going to the US, learn skills online, save, build credit if you can. Many of our brothers made it. So, that's my full explanation of how American money works in 2026. Did I miss something? What surprised you the most? The salaries, the prices, or the credit system? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to everyone. If you want more, next video could be how to send money from Senegal to USA cheaply, or American taxes explained simply. Tell me what you want. Like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share with your friends dreaming about America. Thank you for watching. Peace from Dakar, Senegal. Assalamu alaikum, and God bless.